I've got um, Module 8 is today only, and we'll jump into Module 9 on the next class period. Uh, but Module 8 has a sandbox and an assignment. Module 9 only has a sandbox. So Module 9 is actually designed to help you complete the assignment for Module 8. So if you start working on the Module 8 assignment, you feel stuck, don't panic, because Module 9 will give you some additional tools for helping think about that. So today we're going to talk about a topic that I would call advanced string processing. And this is actually really important and really practical in a lot of programming scenarios. You'll actually use these tools quite a bit. So taking strings and doing things with them to make them more meaningful or useful or clean them up or clean up data is a large part of a lot of what we do in programming. So learning to work with strings is important. So just to review, a string is a collection of characters that is in a certain order, and it stays in that order. A string is immutable, meaning I cannot change individual characters in that string. If I wanted to take Bakersfield College, for example, and I wanted to replace it with Taft College, I can't actually take Bakersfield and replace it with Taft. What I would do is I would take the whole string, Bakersfield College, and replace the whole thing with Taft College. You can't move, there's no mechanism for moving this E to be after the R or anything like that. There are functions that will do that for us, but strings themselves are immutable, which means they don't change randomly. If I have this says Bakersfield College, it's always going to say Bakersfield College until I change it, which is useful because then I can use the index for those characters, just like I would in a list, to address those characters, to read them, to remove them, to do things with them.